Doesn't it get exhausting? Constantly chasing women, looking for women to date, trying to go on dates, but either getting rejected or canceled on last minute. Look, chasing girls is exhausting, and because you're chasing girls nonstop is the reason why you don't have any girls. What you need to realize is that the moment you stop chasing girls is when the girls actually start coming today. Today, boys, I'm gonna show you why you need to stop chasing girls, and instead of wasting your energy there, you should be doing this. And when you do this, that's when the girls come. Let's go. Number one, and probably the most important thing, is you want to make more money. Look, this should be your number one mindset. Forget about that one girl and figure out what you're going to be doing for the rest of your life and how you're going to support yourself. Look, it doesn't matter how attractive you are, how much you work on yourself, and how good you look. If you're 30 and still living with your parents, I promise you, no relationship's gonna last. And today, with an iPhone and a laptop, you can zero in and focus on so many side hustles. You could be doing an extra 10, 20, 30, 40K a year on top of your salary you're already getting paid, which will make you financially independent and help you learn how to financially scale and make more money. Number two, you wanna clean it up. Look, your grooming and hygiene practices are everything, and for so many guys, they have none. They don't even have the basics or the foundation for how to take care of themselves. Focusing on your hygiene, learning how to smell good, control the body hair. This is more than enough to set you apart from other dudes in girls' eyes, because most dudes don't care enough. This is why setting up these grooming routines are so important. I show them to you all the time. Having that skin routine, that shower routine, that manscaping routine, having that all in line not only streamlines your mornings, but make sure that you're always looking on point, and then sealing it all off with a good fragrance. Something powerful that not only increases your confidence, but any room you step into, you're getting compliments. If you don't got that good fragrance, you got your brother that has your back. This is exactly why we dropped Santa Lucia. See, our Santa Lucia set of fragrances, the main purpose of Santa Lucia, make sure you get compliments in every situation of your life. See, the 3 fragrances, Come Closer to Conquering Every Day, are fragrances that are designed for every single instance in your life. Your Come Closer, these are your love fragrances. When you're at the bar, when you're mating with the girl, this is the fragrance you want to use to increase that attraction. Our To Conquering fragrance, this is our powerful fragrance. This is the one you want to use at the office. This is the one you want to use when you feel like the boss. And finally, number 3, which is our Everyday. Just like the name says, it's the fragrance you wear every single day. It's citrusy, it's fresh. You can wear this daily and make sure you're gonna get compliments left and right. Now the cool part is that every single fragrance, we didn't just design them and assume they're gonna smell good. No. We added notes that we knew scientifically were gonna help you in every aspect of your life. Matter of fact, if you guys click the link down below, go to our Santa Lucia website, go to our Science of Scent tab. In there, we break down and show you all the studies and all the specific notes we added into each fragrance, why we added them, and how they're going to help you become more attractive, whether you're mating, whether you're at the office, or every single day. If you guys want to check out Santa Lucia, if you guys need that good fragrance that's going to set you apart, make you more attractive, click that link down below, see the entire set, and if you buy all 3, you actually end up saving $150 versus buying just one fragrance. If you guys want to check them out, link down below. Number 3, invest in a new wardrobe. I've already told you, boys, clothing has the ability to change the perception of people. See, people will judge you immediately when you step into a room, whether you like it or not, whether it's fair or not, it's happening. When you step into a room, people are already making judgments of you. You can manipulate those judgments by wearing the right clothing. Wearing clothing that you know makes you look better, taller, better skin tone color, makes you look more broad, more athletic. See, you want clothing that you know works with your body type, that hides the imperfections and levels up your strong points. And that's exactly the power of clothing. This is why I talk about clothes so much and why we started an entire channel of this stuff. And if you've been listening to me, you know you need to be making a list. What are the pieces that you need in your wardrobe to start leveling up your wardrobe? Pieces that you know are versatile, basic, that you're going to be using constantly. If you don't have those pieces, now is the time, instead of wasting your time chasing girls, is building that wardrobe, building that capsule wardrobe that you need of essential pieces that always gonna make you look good. Which takes us on to number 4, new hobbies. See, skills increase the bills. And your bank account. See, when you develop into skills, you become more valuable to companies or more valuable to yourself if you want to start your own startup. And even if it's not to make money, skills and experiences, they are attractive. See, women are just going to become more attached to you, or better yet, you'll have a better ability to connect with anyone if your hobbies and activities are vast, because anybody you start a conversation with, you can have an immediate connection with if they have that same hobby or ability. You're seen as more diverse, and that in itself is attractive, versus your only quality trait is, yeah, I chase women all the time. Today's on to number 5. Focus on your school and your career. See, this has positive return on your investment. This has a positive ROI, especially if you zero in on the right sport or the right career, like something in STEM or in finance or basketball or football, etc. If you narrow into one of those and focus on those, you're gonna start developing a passion for it, and you're gonna start building up in it, knowing that in any of those industries, the top 10% of men, they're complete chick magnets. Yo, women are literally throwing themselves at the top 10% of athletes, at the top 10% of finance earners, at the top 10% of scientists in STEM like doctors, etc. That's when the tables turns. Instead of wasting your life chasing women, chase one of these careers. If that's what you want, focus on that, and knowing that now you have something stable. You are a top earner, and every woman wants to be with an executive, with a physician, with a top performing athlete. And finally, number 6, go to the gym. Look, because your health is way more important than that girl that has you all curled over, crying over because she's paying you no attention. Once you start going to the gym, once you start looking shredded, you're gonna feel more energetic. You're gonna feel more confident. Clothes is gonna look 100 times better on you. And even better, once you do get the chick, you're gonna look better without the clothes too. Boys, it's time for you to stop simping. It's time for you to stop chasing women and instead start doing these 6 things in your life. And I promise you, once you develop that, once you grow there, the girls are gonna come. That's it from me today, boys. See you next time.